Hi guys, love you all. Good morning to all of you. बहुत दिनों के बाद आज हम अंग्रेजी के जाने माने बेताज बादशाह कह सकते हैं मिस्टर आर एन ठाकुर जो हमारे सामने हैं। ये हमारे गुरुदेव रहे हैं और इनका नाम ही काफ़ी है। इंग्लिश में कहते हैं ओनली द नेम इज़ एनफ। हिज नेम इज स्प्रेडिंग फार एंड वाइड इन मधुबनी डिस्ट्रिक्ट एंड आउट ऑफ मधुबनी टू। Actually, I don't have a special word. My dictionary doesn't have a special word to describe about this guy. This legend guy teach a lot of students and taught a lot of students. Actually, I'm talking about back time. Really, he's the English king. I have satisfied and all students satisfied with this guy. आइए हम बात करते हैं अंग्रेजी के जाने माने बेताज बादशाह मिस्टर आर एन ठाकुर से, जिन्होंने अभी तक हजारों बच्चों को हजारों बच्चों को अंग्रेजी सिखा दिया। वो भी जिस तरह से हम मैथिली बोलते हैं उस तरह से इनके बच्चे अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं। आइए हम बात करते हैं और आपके लिए, बच्चों के लिए, कि बच्चे अंग्रेजी कैसे सीखें। बच्चों के लिए कुछ ऐसा टिप्स होता है, क्योंकि बहुत सारे बच्चों का डिमांड होता है कि भाई सर हम अंग्रेजी हमें नहीं आती है, हम गांव से बिलोंग करते हैं, हमें अंग्रेजी आती नहीं है। तो इसीलिए हम आज अंग्रेजी के एक्सपर्ट मिस्टर आर एन ठाकुर से बात करते हैं। वेलकम सर, मोस्ट वेलकम सर। एक्चुअली आई हैव स्पेशल क्वेश्चन फॉर यू।
Okay,
सर प्लीज।
dear Digi Sharma, after a long time you are just in BLP Academy. So I want to say from the core of my heart, welcome to this academy, and I'm going to be happy today to see you in this way here after a long time in this academy. And I want to go with you, especially in the past, where we both were, especially the part of this center, and you were student there, and I had been your mentor. So really, I'm very lucky guy. Got opportunity to train the students like you. Most of the guys from your batch, from other batch, did great tasks, especially in this field. I mean to say English, and you are one of them. And just going to have conversation with me. So really a happiest moment for me as well as all the students of this academy today. And welcome. You are free to put the question. No need to say anything. No any foundation. You are free today to put the question, whatever the question are hunting in mind today, especially regarding English, and you are going to talk with your Gurudev, so not to worry at all. Come on, put each and every question one by one.
Thank you so much, sir. Actually, really I appreciate you, and my all students, my all devotees appreciate you because I explain your name among my students. And
That's a great task, dear D.K. Sharma. That's a really great task. There is one saying in English, okay, that is very powerful saying. Respect yourself, you will be respected. So if you want to be needy, okay, for respect over there, you need to just power respect to other. So it's a greatness for me here. And I want to tell the name of my Gurudev, Dr. Devandas, today, especially with the help of this video here. And whatever I'm today, thanks to my Gurudev Devandas. So actually, I don't have words to explain.
And really, I'm
about the guy. And you are one of them, so going to speak in this way. Okay.
And really, I'm your perfect devotee. And I always explain, I always appreciate you among my students.
God bless you, may you rise day by day. Especially in your life, you are doing great tasks, especially in your village, and going to spread the magic of English for the students, amazing tasks. You know what? Whenever I see the students teaching English, really that moment I just, used to be happy a lot from the heart, okay, from my inner mind. So what to say actually? Really, I think I'm very appreciated guy, especially. Thank to you, dear. I'm here, and you are just going to address me here as the English king. Actually the great guy. Really, these words are beyond of my capacity.
And really, your channel name R.N. Thakur, the English king, really earning its name far and wide.
So actually, on the demand of you, I just created the channel, and most of the guys they are going to appreciate. But no, for a long time, I'm not working. Especially the special task for the betterment of the students. But I'm thinking very soon I'll just pick everything and channel will just boom. Right now you have a special question from me.
Yes, sir.
For me especially today. Yes, so actually carry on the task.
My special question, sir, please give us tips.
Okay.
How can the students improve their English? Because they belong to remote area, they don't know how to speak English correctly and different way. and you are an expert of English. And really, I implore before you.
Okay,
And
nice question.
I'm debtor.
Mhm.
I'm your debtor, and I will be your debtor in future.
Oh, you mean to say you want to know from me here, dear, how to improve English?
Yes.
Especially,
Yes.
this is the question
This is my special question.
from those guys they belong to remote area. And Sharma, firstly, I want to say one thing here today. Just try to go in the part. Basically, you belong to remote area too. So actually, try to go there right now and just think, how did you develop your English? Especially in the same way, they will just develop English. But actually, are great tips? I can explain. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. If they don't have a source,
Mhm.
how can they improve their English
Okay.
in that situation?
Mr. Sharma, firstly, I want to tell you one thing here. English is the language like Hindi or Mathli. So, try to learn, okay, English as you learned Hindi or Mathli. You know what? It's a very common thing here.
Really?
So, whatever you did in Mathli, whatever you did in Hindi, actually the same funda. Okay, you have to apply in English and you will learn English well. So, main thing that you must be confident, firstly. You must be daring, guys.
Yeah. Confidence is everything. Self.
Okay, and you have to follow, the procedure that is LSRW. LSRW. L for listening, S for speaking, R for reading, and finally W for writing. You have to go through all given component parts,
Really?
right? And this is one of the best, procedure for each and every language. Okay. So if you want to develop your English, definitely you have to follow this. शर्मा, मैं आपसे कहना चाहता हूँ, आपने मैथिली कैसे सीखा, मैं आपसे से जानना चाहता हूँ। फिर मैं बता रहा हूँ कि बच्चे जो रिमोट एरिया से आते हैं वो अपने इंग्लिश को कैसे डेवलप करेंगे। आपने मैथिली कैसे सीखा, पहले मेरे को बता दो आप।
सबसे पहली बात है कि मैथिली हमारा बर्थ लैंग्वेज है।
ओके।
मैथिली मैंने जन्म लिया।
ओके।
और जैसा हमारा माहौल था, उस माहौल में ढल करके मैंने मैथिली सीखी।
और यू मीन टू से यू स्टार्टेड लर्निंग मैथिली, शुरुआती दौर में आपने सुनना प्रारंभ किया अपने सीनियर्स को, राइट, अपने फैमिली मेम्बर्स को, और धीरे धीरे एक्चुअली क्या हुआ ना, आप भी कॉन्फिडेंट हो गए कि ना अब मुझे बोलना चाहिए, आपने बोलना स्टार्ट कर दिया। आपको फियर नहीं, क्योंकि आपका नेटिव लैंग्वेज है, बर्थ लैंग्वेज है आपकी मैथिली, इस कारण से आपको बिल्कुल फियर नहीं होता। लेकिन अंग्रेजी का नाम सुनते ही मन में टेरर आ जाती है ना, ओ माई गॉड क्या करूँ, व्हाट टू डू, हाउ टू डेवलप इंग्लिश, ओ माई गॉड आई एम जस्ट वीक इन इंग्लिश। तो कहने का तात्पर्य मैं आपसे ये बताना चाहता हूँ आपके माध्यम से तमाम स्टूडेंट्स को कि आप सबसे पहले डरना छोड़ दो। तो गब्बर ने शोले पिक्चर में बहुत प्यारा सा डायलॉग दिया था कि जो डर गया समझो मर गया। और आजकल का ऐड है ना शर्मा, डर के आगे जीत है।
सर आप मूवी में भी ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट रखते हैं?
Of course, I belong to language field. That's why actually I need to just connect myself with different types of movie. Okay, so I love music as well as movie.
Okay.
Very
Okay,
much.
sir, now come to the point.
Listen, I'm just to the point here. तो सबसे पहले तो आप डर को ख़त्म कर लो, इस बात को निकाल के फेंक दो आप कि आप ना गांव से बिलोंग करते हो। As far as English is concerned, it's a global language and you are the part of globe. Okay, so you have the equal right like all the people of the world. So not to worry about English is a common thing. आप मैथिली बोल सकते हो, हिंदी बोल सकते हो, डेफिनेटली आप इंग्लिश भी बोल सकते हो। डर खत्म करो, आगे बढ़ो, मैं हूँ आप हो, राइट। सबसे पहली मर्तबा हमें एक माहौल तैयार करना है जहाँ पर LSRW वाले फंडा को अप्लाई किया जाए, राइट। तो यू नीड टू जस्ट एक्चुअली लर्न इंग्लिश। आई मीन टू से दो स्टूडेंट दे वांट टू डेवलप देयर इंग्लिश, दे शुड टेक पार्ट इन द गुड इन्वायरमेंट ऑफ इंग्लिश, क्योंकि इन्वायरमेंट का वातावरण का बहुत बड़ा रोल होता है, खास करके लैंग्वेज फील्ड में, राइट, जहाँ से ज़्यादा आप सुन सको। क्योंकि कहा जाता है गुड लिसनर कैन बी द गुड स्पीकर, एक अच्छा श्रोता एक अच्छा वक्ता बनता है। तो डेफिनेटली यू हैव टू बी द गुड लिसनर इन द बिगनिंग, ओके, एंड नो डाउट लेटर ऑन यू गाइज बी वेरी गुड स्पीकर, ओके, एज यू लर्न मैथिली, एज यू लर्न हिंदी। तो अच्छा श्रोता अच्छा वक्ता बनता। अब आप कहोगे सर श्रोता कैसे बने? यू हैव द फोन राइट नाउ, ईच एंड एवरीबॉडी हैज जस्ट स्मार्टफोन।
Excuse me, according to me, students can improve their English from lecture.
Exactly, you have to listen more and more. Those guys, they are really expert of English. So you need to connect yourself with the sources. They belong to English. I mean to say, you may be the part of
Sir,
YouTube channel. Listen to me here. Okay, you have to watch movie there. They belong to Hollywood. You need to connect yourself with the good books of English. You need to connect with those guys. They are really very dynamic guys, especially in this field. I mean to say English. Try to listen. Firstly, you have to be the good listener. Okay.
really,
तो अच्छा श्रोता एक अच्छा वक्ता बनता है। श्रोता बनो, वक्ता बनी जाओगे।
100% right.
Exactly. Not to worry at all. It's a time to crack, this task. It's a time to eradicate, the burning problem like English. It's a common thing here, easier than Hindi or Mathili. You can speak Mathili, you can speak Hindi, definitely you can speak many more languages like English, Bhojpuri, etc., etc. So not to worry at all. मैंने तो